लव यू दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप? ही इज़ वेरी वेरी अमेजिंग टैलेंटेड पर्सन. सो ही विल इंट्रोड्यूस दिस. It has PV Pro display. So please just explain about PV Pro display. Okay,
For example, if you want to access, this is the home screen of the vehicle, the PV Pro. If you want to access the climate, you can access directly from here. You can access the air quality also. By just 2 taps, you can access any feature in the.
दोस्तों आप देखिए अभी इन फीचर्स में.
So basically, this has got line build navigation along with the front 2 seats has a massager option also and heated with ventilated seats. Along with that, you will be getting mode options with ride heights.
Okay.
So the access height is for easy ingress and easy outgress. So the ground clearance currently is on 165 mm. If you go on normal mode, the ground clearance will raise up to 214 mm, and on off-road it will again raise up to 265 mm.
Oh wow.
So basically, this is a capable product. Also, due to this feature, you will be getting water weight sensing, depth sensing up to 0.55 meters.
Oh wow. आपने देखा, he told about the display, all these things. So just he will be telling about you. आप लोगों को ये बताएंगे अभी gear में, and then उसके बाद like steering. So please say something about gear and then the steering.
So basically, steering is an electrically adjustable steering. 4-way steering. Along with that, you will be getting 12.3 inches of display of the instrument cluster.
Okay.
So you can access the modes over here. You can configure the display layout also
Wow, like according to you,
with navigation and everything.
all these things. And then just about gear something.
So this is the same gearbox which has been used in vehicles like Rolls-Royce or the Bentleys.
Oh wow.
Same transmission is fitted in every Land Rover.
सो आई होप आप लोगों को समझ आ चुका होगा. और जैसा आपने भाई साहब ने बताया कि अपने वर्ल्ड में लाइक 4 कार्स, लाइक फर्स्ट रॉयल्स रॉयस एंड सेकंड बेंटली, रेंज रोवर एंड अनदर वन ऑल्सो. सो दीज आर वेरी वेरी नाइस. सो प्लीज़ आगे चलते हैं हम लोग और अभी देखते हैं हम लोग LED स्क्रीन एंड रूफ. आई होप आप लोगों को पसंद आया होगा. ये हम लोग वी आर फीलिंग वेरी वेरी प्राउड अबाउट श्री रतन टाटा जी, स्वर्गीय श्री रतन टाटा जी.